Imagine fashion as a story. It's a story that's been unfolding for thousands of years, with new chapters added all the time. Let's start at the beginning. Long ago, in places like Egypt and Greece, people wore simple clothes made from things like linen and wool. They used jewelry and makeup to make themselves look beautiful. Then came the Middle Ages. People wore clothes that were a bit more fancy, with lots of colors and decorations. They often wore long dresses and tunics. After that was the Renaissance. This was a time of big changes, and fashion changed too. People started wearing clothes that were inspired by the ancient Greeks and Romans. In the 1900s, fashion changed a lot. There were flapper dresses in the 1920s, poodle skirts in the 1950s, and bell-bottoms in the 1960s. And now we have today's fashion. There are so many different styles to choose from. If you would like to learn more about a specific time period or fashion styling, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and comment about your interest.